Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh and today I will explain about the subject and predicate and how can we recognize the subject and the predicate. So we have to understand by some examples and we will solve some exercises also. So let's start. My dear student, in this question, underline the subject and circle the predicate. Some sentences are given and you have to underline the subject and circle the predicate. Exercise first. Ram sings a song. Ram sings a song. First of all, I want to tell you the method of picking out the subject and predicate. I have told you already in the previous video that verb including all the objects are called predicate and the left portions in the starting is subject. So first of all, we have to recognize the verb. Where is the verb? In this sentence, Ram sings a song. Sings is verb, and before verb, Ram is subject and sings a song is the object. Ram is subject and sings a song is predicate. Second, she writes a letter. She writes a letter. Here, write is the verb and including the verb, a letter also. This is predicate. Writes a letter. This is predicate and subject is the she. Third exercise. Ramesh reads a novel. Ramesh reads a novel. Here, reads is verb and with reads a novel is predicate and Ramesh is subject. We have to underline the subject. So I underline Ramesh and circle the predicate. And the next exercise, market. I am going to market. Now here I am going, this is verb, and including the verb, I am going to market. Predicate, and I is the subject. Next exercise. You have done this work. You have done this work. Here, have done, this is verb, and including the verb, have done this work, this is predicate, and you, this is subject. That words are underlined, that are subject, and that words, a group of words are circled, that are predicate. So my dear student, if you have given any exercise, if you have given any question, then very simply you can find out the subject and predicate. So and after this we have to do some exercise based on the interchange of sentences. So let's start the next. Change the sentences. Change the sentences given in the brackets. For example, exercise first. Ram takes tea. Exercise Ram takes tea. This is affirmative sentence, and here given in the bracket negative. It means you have to change this sentence into negative sentence. Now we have to know the tense of this sentence. Ram takes tea. It means this sentence is in present indefinite tense, and we have to change this into negative. Ram does not take tea. This is the negative sentence and this is the answer. Ram takes tea. Here we add SRES in singular subject with the singular subject. So where SRES are added, this type of sentences will change with the does not. And the second, Ramesh is singing a song. Ramesh is singing a song, and you have to change this into interrogative sentence. My dear student, I have already told you that we can make two types of interrogative sentences. First, with the help of helping verb, and the second, with the help of WH words. So you can make both types. Here, is Ramesh singing a song? At the last we have put sign of interrogation or interrogative mark. This sentence is made up with the help of helping verb. But if you want to make with the WH words, then you can also make this. Why is Ramesh singing a song? Question mark. Why is Ramesh singing a song? This sentence is made up with the help of WH word, and this is made up with the help of helping word. So you can make both types. So my dear student, here are some examples that I have explained you. You can change any sentence by applying this rule. But before this, you have to know the tense. You have to know the tense very properly and very clearly. Because if you don't know about tense, then you cannot recognize the sentence that in which tense this is written. So, first of all, prepare the tense. After that, do this. And I have taught in the previous videos the tense very clearly. You can see my previous video. So, dear student, This is enough for today, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.